Okay, this is chapter 3.1, and problem 1. It says to state the transformations of y equals x squared, that being the parent function. State the transformations of y equals x squared represented by the following quadratic formulas. Then graph the parent function and the transformed image. So, state the transformations, then graph both the parent function and the transformed image. Okay, so first things first, remember we're going to keep saying this is inside x is backwards, inside x, outside y is normal, inside x is backwards, and outside y is normal, inside backwards, outside is y, and normal, meaning if it's inside, you do exactly the opposite of what it says. You even do opposite order of operations. Alright, you add before you multiply. Everything is opposite. Outside is y and normal. If you got more than one thing to do, you use your order of operations. So here you go. State the transformations of y equals x squared. Then graph the parent function and transform the image. So, we're inside. We're adding or subtracting, so it's a shift. It's a shift. Now, if you add 4, you would think you're going to the left, to the right, because that's where positive x is. But really where you're going is left, because remember, everything is backwards. Shift left 4. Okay? And then you got the minus 1 on the outside. So again, you're adding or subtracting, so again, that's a shift. It's outside, so is it going up 1 or down 1? Well, you're subtracting. Subtracting is down. Okay? So down 1 unit. Okay? So here we go. Here's your parent function. X, y. You have to plot -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. You need
Daddy, we need to make Mommy's bed.
Yes, we do, don't we? But anyways, and the parent function, -3, would be 9, because -3 squared is 9. -2 squared is 4. -1 squared is 1. 0 squared is 0. 1 squared is 1. 2 squared is 4. 3 squared is 9. So just go -3 to +3 and square them all. Don't have to memorize them. Just go from there. So your original -1, -2, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, +1, 0, 0, +1. And you got to freehand this as best you can. Okay, there's your parent function. Alright, the new function, if we are shifting left 4, well, that means we're subtracting 4 from all the x values. Okay, so instead of adding 4, we're going to subtract 4. So -3 minus 4 is -7. -2 minus 4 is -6. -1 minus 4 is -5. 0 minus 4 is -4. 1 minus 4 is -3. 2 minus 4 is -2. 3 minus 4 is -1. Those are all your x values. Your y value, do exactly what it says to do. It says subtract 1, so we're going to subtract 1 from all the y's. 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay? So, this is your parent. And this is your new image. So, -7, 8. -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 8. -7, 8. -6, 1, 2, 3. -5, 0. -4, -1. And you'll plot them all out. So there, see if I can do it as smoothly as possible, is your new transformed image. Alright, so whatever is inside, you do it to the x's, but backwards. Whatever's outside, you do it to the y's, and normal. Alright, letter B. We've got two things going on in there. We've got a -3 and we've got a -1. Remember, everything inside is backwards because remember it's from x minus h. So if it's minus h, therefore the h must be positive because that minus is part of it. Alright, so everything inside the parentheses is backwards. So this is a shift to the right, not to the left, 3. And again, it's a shift down 1. Okay? And again, let's create a table of points. X, Y. We'll go -3 to +3. And just square them. -3 squared is 9, -2 squared is 4, -1 squared is 1, 0, 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. And we'll apply it to the new table. Oh, let's plot that first, actually. -3, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, I've just graphed these things so many times, I just know where they go. Alright, and it says shift to the right 3. So we are going to subtract 3 from all the x's. We're going to add 3 to all the x's. So -3 plus 3 is 0. -2 plus 3. -2 plus 3 is 1. -1 plus 3 is 2. 0 plus 3 is 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. And then last but not least, it says shift down 1. So we're going to subtract 1, just like it says, subtract 1 from all the y's. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is -1. Minus 1 is 0. Minus 1 is 3. Minus 1 is 8. We'll just plot it real quick. Oop. We have 0, 8. We have 1, 3. 2, 1. 0, -1. Sorry. 3, -1. 4, 0. 5, 3. And 6, 8. So the new transformed image is right there. And there you go.